What's going on, guys? Today we're working on a fender on this 2016 Acura TLX. So you can see the fender's pushed in pretty good there at the front edge, right on the body line, and it's kind of rolled the whole thing in. So the paint's kind of pretty damaged, and it's already started to rust there. So yeah, we'll get this thing straightened out, and I don't know, we'll put some touch up on it, something. So all right, so I've got the liner out, and you can see here this is pushed in really far. So before I start this repair, I'm gonna pull all of this out and get the structure of this back, because the bumper didn't fit right. So I did leave the headlight in there, and we'll see. I might end up pulling it out, but liner's out, brackets out, and we'll just pull this out and start. I'm gonna use my fender pliers on this, so we'll get cranking. All right, so here's where we're at so far. Not too bad, really, from what it was. Trying to keep everything as smooth as possible here. And this is all I've used so far, so.